You deserve to know this for free. Honestly, there's a 20-minute setup most people never see behind every free ebook for passive income that actually makes extra money every week. And the struggle isn't writing the thing. It's that nobody showed you what happens after someone downloads it. And that's what I want to walk you through right now. Because I spent a long time thinking passive income meant writing something, posting a link, and watching the money roll in. That's not how it works. Not even close. But what actually works is simpler than you'd think. And I'm going to break the whole thing down so that you can see it clearly. First, though, let me be honest with you about something. You deserve to know the truth for free. So here it is. The ebook itself is not where the money comes from. I know that sounds strange because everybody talks about write an ebook, sell an ebook, make passive income. But the ebook is just the door. It's the thing that gets someone to raise their hand and say, "Yeah, I'm interested." The money comes from what's behind the door, a lead capture page, an automatic follow-up sequence, something that keeps working while you're clocked in at your 9 to 5. So you stop trading every free hour you have for a few extra bucks. Think about it. Right now, if you want to make extra money, you have to do something. Drive for rideshare, pick up a side gig, freelance on the weekends. Every dollar costs you an hour. And honestly, after 17 years driving a truck, I can tell you that math never gets easier. You just get more tired. But here's where it gets interesting. When you set up that invisible system behind a free ebook, something changes. You're not chasing people down. You're not refreshing your phone hoping someone buys. The system captures the lead, follows up automatically, answers questions people have at 2 in the morning, and closes for you while you sleep, while you work, while you're at your kids' game instead of missing it. Now, most people never get here, and I want to explain why. Because this is the part that tripped me up for a long time. Most people write the ebook, post a link on social media, hear crickets, and quit. They assume it didn't work, but the ebook worked fine. What was missing was everything after the download. There was no page collecting information, no follow-up emails going out, no system answering the questions that people always have before they spend money. And those questions come at weird hours. They come on Tuesday at midnight. They come on Saturday morning while you're grocery shopping. So here's the real difference. The people who actually make extra money every week from a free ebook aren't better writers. They're not smarter. They just have a done for you sales system that handles all of that around the clock. It answers questions, it follows up, it closes, and it does it whether you're awake or not. I found this through a YouTube video, and honestly, I was skeptical. But I'm here. I've been a truck driver for 17 years, and when I saw this how it worked, it looked like it could make extra money for travel, for me and my girlfriend, for actually living instead of just surviving week to week. What made me say this was different was that everything is explained, or you can ask the founders questions directly. That matters because most things out there just hand you a PDF and say, "Good luck." This wasn't that. Now let me explain the part that really changed how I think about this. You only need a handful of customers when you keep 80 cents of every dollar and it pays you again next month. Let that sink in for a second. Most side hustles reset to zero every Monday. You made 300 bucks last week. Great. This week you start from nothing again. But when someone pays you residually, a small, simple effort compounds. 5 customers this month, a few more next month, and each one keeps paying you month after month. You're not rebuilding from scratch, you're stacking. That's the difference between extra money and actual change, between a side gig and something that actually lets you stop worrying about paying the bills. I'm ready to change how I think about life not being a struggle. That's why I'm doing this. Not because it's easy and everything is perfect, but because for the first time, the math actually makes sense. By the way, if you want to see the exact system that does all of that selling follow up for you while you're at work, go to my link in the description. That's where you can see how people are earning $128 per customer every month without building anything from scratch. The link is in the description below.